Hey guys, first walk break of the day. Here's my outfit of the day. Shirt and jeans from Venus.com, boots from JustFab.com. I'm super excited because I ordered this pair of jeans size 4 and I wasn't quite sure if they would fit. They fit perfect, just perfect. So that makes me really happy. You'll notice I did not have a video this morning. That's because I did not pack a darn thing to bring with me today. I did have my coffee with 1 tablespoon of fat-free half and half for 0 points. And lunch today is hopefully going to be a poke bowl from the commissary, so crossing my fingers for that. Just gonna have some fruit for a snack. So I was up really late last night, so I literally just wanted to fly out of the house this morning, so I didn't pack anything, and then I realized that I hadn't planned to pack anything, so it worked out perfect anyway. So I'm probably not going to get my 10,000 steps today because I need to take a nap at lunch. I'm doing a car nap today. The weather is perfect for it because it's like low 70s, so it's like just perfect temperature to be snoozing in the car. But yeah, it's one of those days where I need sleep more than I need steps. So if I can take a couple extra breaks, then I'll try to walk to the park and get in some extra steps, but if I don't, then I'm not gonna care. I still have not done any planks. I don't know why, but because it's not something I can do at work, I keep thinking I'm gonna go home and do it, and then I keep forgetting. Like, once I get home, just all of the challenges and everything are just out of my mind. I don't know why. I don't know why. It's weird. But I'll try again today. I'll try. I really want to do the planks because I think that the plank is such a really good exercise for your arms, your abs, your shoulders, everything. So anyway, I'll try to do that today. Today's 100 healthy habits in 100 days is to watch and laugh at a movie or a show, or I can't remember how it's phrased, but I am going to the movies tonight with Mama Rita, so we are gonna go see Smallfoot, and hopefully it makes us laugh. So we're also sitting in the recliners, so hopefully I don't fall asleep. That's another reason why I need a car nap today. Okay, second walk break. It's perfect out here right now. It is like, it's been so perfect all day. It's like low, maybe mid 70s, and there's a nice breeze, and it's just wonderful. I love it. I did get my poke bowl for lunch. It was amazing, so good, so worth it. Very filling too. At this place they put huge, thick, like tuna steaks on it. It's so good. It's very filling and very meaty. So usually fish doesn't really fill me up, but these pieces are like so big that they're really good and really filling. So I also had an apple today, and that's it. An apple, a poke bowl, and my coffee. I'm gonna pop up some popcorn, some Pop Secret, 7 smart points for the whole bag. Take that with me to the movies with probably some sparkling water. And I'll probably take another apple because the apple was just good. Sometimes apples are just good, and sometimes I get like over fruit, like I'm done with it, but I'm feeling thirsty, so I'm like craving fruit right now, so that's a good thing. I took a peek at my weight this morning and it was down like a lot. I don't know why, but crossing my fingers that it stays that way until next weigh-in, but I have a whole weekend before then, so who knows what's gonna happen. We will see. Anyway, I'm not gonna get my 10,000 steps today, but I just went in the file room and did my plank for 20 seconds. That's right, my very first plank, and today is already October 4th. But I figure what I will do is, there is nobody in this park at all right now. I am the only one in the park. I could run up and down the sidewalk naked and nobody would be here to care, but I won't. So I did my first plank, and what I'm gonna do, so I've missed 3 days of planks, and what I'll do if I can keep doing it is just skip 3 of the rest days, and then I can end at the end of October, same as the rest of you guys. So the recipe challenge, I am adding to it like almost daily, so check the links that are in the description box and you can like reprint the calendar or add to it or whatever, however you want to do it. But I'm adding the recipes as I get them, so I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna have a lot of good food in October, and I hope that Eddie and his mom will help me eat it, because I'm gonna have to buy like a whole bunch of those little Rubbermaid containers so I can freeze a bunch of this stuff, because I can only eat so much casserole. Casserole is like it's a comfort food to me, so I can eat like way too much casserole, but because it's so yummy to me, I go like way overboard. So I'll need to freeze it, portion control, and I mean, it'll be super easy for lunches the rest of this month. I should have tons of lunch food. That's good. So thanks to Dee, thanks a lot Dee, I'm craving ice cream. I think I'm gonna have some Arctic Zero tonight, maybe like half a pint, because I've had 2 points so far today in my poke bowl. It was 1 point for the seaweed salad and 1 point for the crab salad, and I'm gonna have 7 points for dinner, the popcorn. That's 9 points. I have room for a lot of ice cream, and it feels like an ice cream night to me. But I'm gonna make myself do my laundry first, then ice cream. I will reward myself with ice cream. I used to not like animation, but that was really cute. That was a very, very cute movie. That was Smallfoot, as in the opposite of Bigfoot, which kind of took me a while to catch on to. But that was a really, really cute movie. I liked it a lot, and it made me laugh, so that was the goal. Very cute. So my popcorn was horrible. It was so burned. It was like charred. So I'm wondering how many points does charred popcorn have, the kind that really just kind of disintegrates in your mouth, versus popcorn that's not charred. I don't think I had 7 smart points worth of popcorn. I couldn't even finish it because I really kept thinking that it was gonna get better, that I was gonna get to some popcorn that was good, and I couldn't see, and so I just couldn't do it. And I was craving ice cream earlier, but now I'm really cold, so I don't think I'm gonna have ice cream. Although by the time I get home, it might still sound pretty good, but I do still need to do my laundry, so I gotta figure out how to get to the freeway from here. So pardon me while I do that.